today I'm going to be opening one of these. Surprise bag. Make sure to like and subscribe and follow me on YouTube. Well, do it. You can do that. Ooh. This is the best squishy ever. Crunch. There's even a little butterfly. But they're like cinnamon rolls shaped as love hearts. Whoa. Is there anything else in here? No.